Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 2.4.11, Focus Not Obscured, Minimum. In this video, we'll show you how to ensure that focusable elements are not completely hidden when they receive focus. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 2.4.11 ensures that when navigating by keyboard, no UI component receiving focus is entirely hidden from view. Users need to see where they are on the page to interact effectively. To check for focus being obscured, navigate through the page using only your keyboard, using Tab to move forward and Shift-Tab to move backwards. Use arrow keys for components like tab lists or list boxes. When each UI component receives focus, check that it is not completely hidden behind other content such as sticky headers, footers, overlays, or menus. If a UI component is entirely obscured when it receives focus and the content obscuring it is part of the author's design, add a failure in ramp. And that completes the audit for Success Criterion 2.4.11 using Ramp's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Ensuring focus is always visible, even if partially, is key to supporting keyboard users effectively. Now it's your turn. Test your site with Ramp's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.